Hi, I'm Dr. Douglas Tanita, and I came to Dori's event, InSPAration, on the Leap Ahead. Was really excited. There was some really good stuff that I learned. I'm an OBGYN, and I'm going to be starting another practice, solo practice on my own, and I'm going to be starting a med spa. And so I wanted to get started and do it right and lay a good foundation. So we have not started yet, but we've laid the foundation, and Dori gave us some great information, awesome stuff. I saw her on YouTube initially, and that's what led me here, and I was not disappointed.